kick, elastic bass starts instantly. Cyber synth stab, slow female breathy hook. Yeah. Oh yeah. Hard to tech house groove, chop, female vocal hits, metallic claps, fashion walk, tempo. Bass gets dirtier, adds gritty synth. Vocal filtered, telephone effect. Billion 45. Spice up, BVS fix. Micro build, no full stop. Right flip, BVS fix. Club kick, short siren and vex. Lyrical hook, louder but still background. Too fine, flutter, free, drunny vibe, clean groove, at question heavy. Final hype, drop strong, ending hits. Final hype, drop strong, ending hits. Quasi reverse effects. 9:45. Quasi reverse effects. Multi-tech house groove, chop, female vocal hits, metallic claps, fashion walk, top. Bass gets dirtier as gritty synth. Vocal filtered. Hard kick, elastic bass starts instantly. Cyber thrust stabs, low female breathy hook. Yeah. Tech house groove, chop feel vocal hits, metallic claps, fashion walk tempo, bass gets dirtier, adds greater signal, lyrical filtered. Yeah, 445, 445, micro build, no full stop, voice race, reverse effects, main drop, deep bass, buzz club kick, short side wrinkle brass, vocal grad up good but still background. 145, 845, one-way drive. Clean groove, reversion heavy. 345, 345, final hype drop. Strong, ending hits. Yeah.